Hey folks, thanks for joining me today. Today is a very special day because I'm taking you along with me to the Mad River. We are going rock hunting. So, most of the rocks that I get are from the riverbed, and I do get some from the shore. But I like to pick them up and look them over and see if I can imagine what kind of a painting would look the best on that rock. So I wade through the water and I just scour and look and pick rocks up until I'm satisfied. So let's listen to the sounds of the water as it's flowing over these rocks and see if we can find some really good gems. When I go rock hunting, I like to bring my companion with me. Phoenix is a great dog, and she loves to play and splash in the water. So she sometimes leads me to the perfect rock. Let's see how well she does. Well, folks, I think she did a good job. This one here looks like a great one that I could draw and paint a beautiful scenery of maybe a winter scene or the Northern Lights. Not really sure what's going to be on there, but I'll definitely find something. Oh, and this one here, I can see a beautiful water scene with some forests in the background. I'm just very excited when I do these rock hunts and think about what I can put on them. The water wasn't that cold either, so it was nice to wade in it, and the weather was warm, so it definitely was nice. When I'm out rock hunting, I'm not just looking at the rocks. Check out this guy. He was so neat and red. I've never seen a red dragonfly before. I've always seen the blue ones. So that was a nice surprise. I absolutely love rock hunting on the Mad River. It is so quiet and so peaceful. Just you surrounded by nature and picking up what she's given and meeting a few friends along the way. So I want to thank you for joining me on this rock hunting mission, and I really hope that you enjoyed it. And I can't wait to show you what I paint on these rocks. So there you have it, folks. Life is what you make it, so get creative.